We have the CTF tournament, one of the biggest tournament, and we offer good prices. So I think this time, if you are a winner on the CTF challenge, then you will get a PS5 and also an OffSec, certification, a coupon for that.
Hey, this is Rodrigo one more time. Now I am in the
Adversary Village.
and I have a few questions. So what does this village have for this day one of the conference?
So we have 3 different areas here. The first area, we have obviously the workshop area where all the main talks happen. Then we have CTF that's happen on here. And then we also have hands-on and other activities that happen on the other side. So there are 3 sections of activities happen here. We have people who submit their research and stuff like that, and then they'll be given a chance to come and speak on the stage. And also, if they have some kind of, a red teaming exercise that they want to do, they can also do over there on the 3rd stage. Over there. Yeah. So we do adversary emulation, simulation, things like that of nature. So we kind of sit in between a purple team and a red team kind of situation. We are not completely offensive, but we are still offensive in nature.
Okay.
So
the main goal is
the adversary,
team.
breach and simulation, things like that. Yeah, that's pretty much that we do. Yeah.
Okay. Is there any kind of specific talk? Not only the workshops, anything like that?
Yeah, so every year we will have specific speakers coming into this, and they also have different kinds of talk. All around different kind of APTs, all around adversaries, how their tactics, techniques and procedures, all that stuff. Yeah, you may have seen some of the sessions that happened recently. So things like that. I mean, we have the CTF tournament, one of the biggest tournament, and we offer good prices. So I think this time, if you are a winner on the CTF challenge, then you will get a PS5 and also an OffSec, certification, a coupon for that.
That's very good.
Yeah.
So you have prize for the first place,
Second place. Yeah, second place. I think we have 3rd place. I'm not sure.
Yeah,
What do we have?
good prizes.
Do we have 3rd place? We offered prize for 3rd place. Okay, so let me come on, bro. No, come down here. So he's the guy. I mean, he left. So we have he's the guy who is responsible for all the CTF. So 3rd place, they may get a hoodie and stuff like that. But the 1st place is where people make the best.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Yeah, so we have teams participating from Singapore. We have teams participating from all over the world here. They're head to head all the time. So, yeah.
Yeah, good job. Awesome village.
Oh yeah, it is. This year we have a bigger space than the last year. So we are able to cater into more because we added that edition of hands-on this year.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Very cool.
that's it. Thank you.
Yeah, thanks.